Ano niya yun?
Tell a story.
He pointed to me. Mister.
In a forecourt. It's raining. You hear the music?
Like something to
Take your time, man. So we're on our way to Changsha. So we're going to the train station.
Hello? Do you know English? No. I guess you do. Knows a little. Right. Thank you.
So we're at the train station, about to get our tickets. So do you want to know how we buy train tickets with not knowing any Chinese?
Go. Honest. You look. Or the train you want to take.
So we go on WeChat. So WeChat is an app that you use in China, right? Like WhatsApp, but it has more, what do you call it? It has more things on there that you can use. So it has a place where you can buy train tickets. So we go on where to buy the train tickets, and we're at the high-speed train, so we click on the high speed. Oh, the number gone. But what we do is, hopefully you can see, we show them the train number, and then they look, and then based on that they know where we're going, and then we also look at the computer to see that they know exactly what we're doing, what they are doing, and if it's correct. So that's how we take the train, not knowing any Chinese. Meow. Come on, that's what I look for me now. King Shang to Changsha. Let's try so Changsha. So that means say Changsha. That what you say? Don't in a minute.
Oh, no money with what I know. Currency.
So money are disgusting. So the woman not try Euro once, and that no good. She gave away 446 tickets. But it's alright, Mama. So on WeChat, you have a thing here that you use to pay for your train tickets, a code. Can't show you my code because you might steal it. So we got our tickets. This is our tickets. The one they're yours. So we're leaving to go to Changsha. So when entering the train station, this thing right here sinks your temperature. Then you go through here. Because we know. So we give this kind little gentleman our passports.
Okay.
Thank you. Upstairs? And normally upstairs we go for Changsha. No? So one time we did downstairs. Let me ask. Ni hao. Ni hao. Jiggle the order. Oh? Here? Okay, sure, sure.
Yeah,
ER. Okay. So downstairs. Alright, so we made it to the train station. And our train is the second train to leave out. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get on the train. Tell a story.
It's funny to me. Me say, after I was all excited, you know, he was to the man, no? And the man was stand up and watch the train and the people have been go across. Son. Man say,
Sun minutes.
you ever know, look at him, because the import container, we are going to get over here. Yes, we went there, we come inside the train. And we go look in section 13.
People in there.
People in that seat. So we asked me to pour something out like me. I say, you need to take up yourself. See, man, you need to move yourself. You can do. Mine at 13, we feel it 13 and the seat at 3. You know, says at 13, we feel it.
We should be in the train, you know, section 13, seat 3. This girl said, section 3, seat 13. And me, no look for my train ticket, come and say,
Can you look at you look funny to ask.
no, but no, yes, someone say, oh, they same place. But because she always strong and she always knows what we are going, I was just like, okay. But hopefully nobody comes and say anything to us and we'll go what we're gonna 13.
Because you know, said that to say when they asked me, seat 3.
Yeah.
Seat
3. I'm the 3 there. But you don't know. I 3 plenty. The girl come out strong, you know. Sunset. Why not supposed to be up here?
And they put more money than you. I can't have more money. Eh?
I doubt it. But we're not paying no more money over the place.
See, man, the man is saying, the man is eating food and me are disturbing.
We're stopping at seat 13, you know. And I look at the whole seat full, you know, where I say, the whole row full. All the entire row is full. And we're looking at say, I want to go on in our seat. So hear me now, no? So I'm like, I'm in our seat. What be ready for road now with the people that want our seat.
You wanna come now, can you take your passport and your ticket?
No, habla English. That's what I'm going to say. No habla English. I speak only Spanish. I'm so tired from laughter. Enjoy the scene.
Take me.
Video.
My best friend, I said, yeah, sightseeing.
So we're off the train. We are going to go fulfill our documents. So now we have to go to the point of exit to scan our ticket to get out. So that's what we're about to do now. We have to go. Okay. So we're trying to scan this thing. Because we cannot leave the station without getting this thing done. Let us try to talk to somebody about this thing. No network available. Hello, sir. I want to talk to somebody. What's your policeman? Hello. Hi. Hello. I'm supposed to go right there. Jiggle. Come on, boy. Oh. 你好。Do you speak English?
No. I.
Sagis. You speak a little? You Indian?
Just a little.
Okay. Speak a little? Yeah. So this is always the issue. Chinese people don't know what to do with foreigners. Oh, there's a black guy. Right there. See him next door. Hey. Hello. Hi. Why you know what we're doing? Confused. When you see your fellow black people, you have to say hi. So we're taking a taxi to. I'm hungry. Not do you want? So we're about to get a taxi to go to the hotel. We got our McDonald's. What's your cake? Yeah.
他的话我听不懂，我的话他听不懂。
Okay, so I realized that I didn't explain to y'all what really happened in the train station, so I'm going to use this clip to explain what happened. So in the train station, as you could see, there was this barcode that you need to scan. So when you scan that barcode, it shows the health. I think it's a health code. If not a health code, it's a location code, whichever one it is. But it shows that you are healthy and that you have not been around anyone who has had COVID-19. So when you scan it and the green thing pops up, I don't really know how to explain it, but agree. If it's green, that means that your health code is fine. If it's another color, like I think orange or red, it means that you've been somewhere that COVID has been, or you've been around somebody that has COVID-19. So they use that to ensure that things are safe, you are safe, people around you are safe. And it is normally very hard for us foreigners to open the, well, for me, I can't say for anybody else, but for me and Amo, it's always hard when we're at the train station to open it, because of the fact that we literally do not have any signal in the train station, one. And then eventually, even though we can, if in a train station where we can actually get the barcode, they normally just send us to the side that we went to anyways, for God knows what reason. Hence the reason why I said that China don't know what to do with foreigners meaning me, not anyone else. I don't know about anybody else, but that is the issue that we normally have. Okay, glad you understand me. So this is where we're gonna stay for the weekend. When will I ask me for? Look at my email. Supposed to be an email. Oh, she's stuck at me. I should know what she looks on. Come everyone in dirty habit. So this is how the foyer of the hotel looks. So this is our hotel room. Do you want to do the hotel room tour? You're unsick, but you lift up pillow? So that's our bathroom. And then this is our room. And I might just come disturb the place and put pillow there, so. I'm getting ready to go out now. And as you can see, I have my little ring light here. This is my travel ring light that I always bring with me. And then I have this little mirror that I use, so I put in front of it. I normally do this when traveling, so I normally just use this mirror because it's easy to travel with, and also I use this ring light because it's also easy to travel with. This is a part of my outfit for tonight. I had to put on my shirt because of the fact that I'm going to do my makeup and the shirt neckline is tight, so I need to hurry late to my makeup because it's 10:55 and I was supposed to be out at 10. I just started to do my makeup. So just sit back, relax and watch while I do all of this. So this is my makeup look. That's my first time. Super nice. It is now 5:55 a.m. and my makeup did hold up, my hairstyle somewhat. It was okay. It wasn't that so bad, but I don't know. They didn't play any dancehall music much, so we're still on the road, guys. After 6:52, we're going to get breakfast, like with the Jamaica. You know, when you go party and then after the party you go eat jerk chicken. Oh, we're not a jerk chicken. We're just going to eat some Chinese food. So then we did see the taxi a while ago. So that's what we're gonna do.
I do, yeah. What did I say?
Okay guys, so I'm back home, well back at the hotel, and I'm about to remove my makeup. It is about, the time is 8:59, almost 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and we just got home. And my makeup stayed all night. The only thing that is an issue right now, I think, is my lashes. I'm using a no brand makeup wipe. These wipes, they're actually really good, or they get the job done. To be honest, I think I prefer the Sephora wipes over this Sephora exfoliating wipes, but these get the job done as well. Fresh face, and this is a wipe. Use both sides. Bam. I think this can be used right here. Put through my nose. Yeah, make that a little bit more clean. So for today, for this here, I'm going to use the Cetaphil Foam Oil Control Foam Wash to wash my face.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
Yeah. And then that's it. So I was explaining to you guys earlier about my SD card not working. So I have two SD cards, that's why I use to vlog. I normally take two, but I have two. And the one that I had with me this morning wasn't working. So I don't understand what happened to the audio here, but anyways, what I was simply saying was that my SD card wasn't working, and I brought my camera with me out. We went to the mall, to Sephora. We even went to Victoria's Secret. Well, we tried to go to Victoria's Secret. The Victoria's Secret that I knew in Changsha was closed. We went to another mall. They didn't have the Victoria's Secret there as well. And then we went to what do you call it? Subway for lunch. Chilled a little bit. All of this was done after coming home. I did not go to sleep. So when I did my face wash and all, I showered and I just put clothes on, and we went to the mall at the same time. Didn't come home until like 4 in the afternoon, and then after coming home I was still up talking until 6 p.m. and after that I went to bed, and I woke up around 9 p.m. and then this is when I was getting ready to leave to go to my love. Yeah, so that's what I was saying in the video, but yeah, I don't know what went wrong with the audio, so yeah, I'm just doing a voiceover right now. So peace out. I bought this today at Sephora. So it's the translucent powder, the Sephora's translucent powder. I'm going to try that. I already tried the makeup wipe that I got. Well, one off because I bought two. I already tried one of them. And I actually like it. I tried the coconut one. I tried this one. So I used it because some black liner was still on my eyes. So I used it and it took it off and it made my face feel hydrated as well. For doing my makeup, what I normally do is wash my face with my oil control face wash, right? And instead of putting all of the other products that I would use in the night, I simply just use shea butter. And a lot of people going to say shea butter to make your skin oily, but shea butter is what I use to moisturize my skin. That's what I love to use to moisturize my skin. And then after using the shea butter, I let it sit there for a while so it gets into my skin. And then it sits there in my skin for a while, and then I start the makeup process after. So I wipe it, I use a napkin and wipe it, and then after that I use whatever methods I use. But as I said, I don't use a lot of makeup on my face, like 1.5 pump. Mostly I'm getting some tea to drink, but I'm making some coffee. It's not tea. So I normally use 1.5 pump of foundation on my face the most if I'm going to use foundation, when I use foundation. And then most of the rest of my makeup is powder, to be honest, with the concealer and all. So yeah, so I'm going to get ready. I don't know, maybe I'll do that process again in this video because today's beat is going to be a little bit simpler, I believe. I always say things and then end up doing something else. So let us see. I might do a no makeup look. I don't know yet because I really don't care. Well, it's not that I don't care, it's like I really don't care for how my makeup look tonight. I don't know why. That's what I say until I start anyways. So yeah, gonna do that. I love this Sephora powder. It's so freaking nice. It makes my face look so nice. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup. This is how it turned out. And I've gotten ready. I'm waiting on Amoy to get ready. She's always the late one. I'm joking. She's not always the late one, but I'm always basically done before her. I'm faster on makeup than she is. So I need to put my watch on. I think this is it. Like, the vibe is simple and cute. Say hi, Amoy. Hola, mama.
Going for my love. I'm just hungry. That's all I'm interested in. Where are you going?
Important indicator we go so. I guess you don't know if we come out. So hi guys, we are going to this place called My Love. Hopefully, we don't know where we're going. Hopefully we're going, I don't know. I see something, no, I think I love but a L something. So we're going somewhere that we don't know. Let me call. I don't know. When we go in at some lights, I'm gonna get back to you guys, okay?
should not pay, that's my bro, my family. Rules and dreams. When it comes to money,
We're packed and ready. We're actually in the lobby waiting for our didi. Well, trying to get us to come and pick us up so that we can go to the train station. I look so... There's eyeliner on my eyes too. So yeah, that was our weekend in Changsha, basically.